Hey guys, I'm Ben.
And I'm Fisher.
And we're with Myers Woodshop, and today we're going to show you how to assemble the LEGO Voltron.
Let's do it!
Yeah!
Voltron, Defender of the Universe.
Voltron, Defenders of the Universe.
Hi, hey, I'm Fisher Myers with Myers Woodshop. Today we're gonna build this LEGO Voltron. In there. Oopsie. This is Lion 5. I built this with a little help from my dad, and I made a little bit of mistakes, but Dad helped me. His legs move, and his mouth can open. Think of him out of... this head is so hard to move. This is how you turn him into a foot. On to the next one.
Alright, so here's line 4, the blue lion. It's basically exactly like the other lion. It's a foot. It's going to bend up like this. The legs are going to go together like that, and it'll be like a foot. So blue lion, he's pretty sweet. Easy to make. He's number 4. And now on to the middle lion, the black lion. Alright, so you saw Fisher's kind of started the beginning, I finished the end. That was manual 3, that's the thickest one. That is the black lion, the leader. He was a lot of pieces, but he will eventually become the head. And it comes down like that and detaches. So I'll show you all that. But it is really big. It's pretty cool. The back legs don't move, the feet do, but the legs don't. These do move, and then these will become the wings like that. So that was the most bag for the lion. That's the biggest lion. And then we have the sword and some other stuff. So let's get on to doing the arms.
I made the second one. We didn't make them on which lion is which number, but it's just the second one, even though we did 3 already. Its mouth doesn't open, and I don't know how to turn it into the hand yet, which it is the hand, but I know it's pretty cool. And also, this isn't a toy for kids to play with.
Alright, line 3 is done. Again, it's a small one, smaller than the legs. They do pivot in the center and the head. So Fisher did line 2, I did line 3. All the bags are done. We have one bag left now. That is bag 16. That's going to do the sword and shield, and then we'll make all the lions come together to form Voltron. Okay, here's all of the lions and the shield and the sword and the big book that they give you in the front that talks about each lion and all the bad guys and different languages. And now we're at the point where we combine the lions.
They heard you.
Are you ready? Which lion do we get first?
Yellow.
Yellow lion. You can see the feet lions are really big. The arm lions are a little teeny. And the main lion, number 1, is really big because he's the body and the head.
Really big.
Let's do the legs.
Really,
Alright,
really
let's see. How do we do it? So we tuck the legs back and these legs forward, and they tuck into themselves. Does this look right?
That is right. Just the back legs need to be all the way. All the way.
Oh, the back legs stick straight. Okay.
Oh, they can turn?
Yeah.
Oh, this one won't, but that one will.
Alright. Back Back legs are good.
Click, click,
Put the tail down.
click.
Tail goes upside down.
Put his head.
And then we just push up, and he clicks into place. Like that.
Now we need blue.
That's the foot. Now we need blue. Okay, how's blue go? Next page. We put the tail around and lay the tail flat.
I did that to all of them. I did it to all of them.
Okay.
So
And we do the same thing with these legs.
you do it with all of them. Click, click, click.
Clicks. This guy clicks too.
Oh my goodness, something's missing.
Yeah, I think it'll click in. And then he clicks up. Boom.
Oh yeah, that happens.
Okay? Now what's the next one?
Black, 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 black.
Red guy.
Black, 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 black,
This
black.
goes out.
No, it's black.
Black eye.
The
Next page.
the red ones.
Oh yeah. Black eye. His wings go up. And his tail goes down. Okay?
And you take his foot out.
We take his foot off. Take his right foot, left foot off. Okay?
Put it like that.
Ah.
And it happens to the same other foot.
Put his foot like this. And then you do this foot like this.
And his arms.
What does his legs go? His legs go straight?
Because then they attach.
Ah, they go in the hole.
Because you see how it has.
Uh-huh.
Dad, you see how those will attach to the bars and those will
yeah, I
attach to
see.
this.
Okay, well, how does his arms
Same
go?
with the hands.
They bend up. Like this.
Other one too. Both of them.
And they go all the way. They go all the way up like that, right?
And then you take the arms off.
What? Okay, arms are off.
And then you do that.
Then I do what?
Wait. What is that?
You turn it backwards? Is that what it says to do? Wait, flip it over.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. You put the arms backwards. Wait, I can't. Oh, okay. It'll go like...
That's what it means. Put the wrong one on the wrong one and the other wrong one on the other wrong one.
Oh, really?
Maybe you turn it.
I'm kind of confused.
That's how it goes.
Oh, it goes like that.
It's like that.
Aha! The arms go backwards. That's ingenious.
That's what I meant.
Perfect. Okay. Alright, put his leg in. Blue goes on this one.
You want me to put his leg
Yeah,
in?
put his leg in. I'll hold it. You shove the leg in.
I can't do that because he'll move.
That's okay. You just gotta lift him up and put him in.
It's more like that.
There we go. Now the other leg.
We made him and his army.
His legs are kind of spread out. How do we... Oh! I broke that.
You broke him. Thanks. No, they're all the way spread out like that.
They're spread out so he doesn't sit right. Is that what it says to do?
Hi!
Huge. But you see how the legs are spread, so kind of bendy.
I will destroy you
Did it
with
say
my
anything about his
sword of
head?
kindness.
Did it say anything about his head? Can you flip it back?
Nope. Didn't say anything.
No, it didn't. Okay. We'll lay it flat. Alright, now we do red guy.
Red
guy.
arm. He's red arm.
Red arm.
He's called red arm. Uh-oh.
This goes... stay
I
like
said,
that.
uh-oh.
It goes like this.
Whoa.
Are these the wrong feet?
Come to me.
Yep. Put the front feet backwards.
Na, 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 na.
Fisher, you need to be quiet because the sound is on you. And you're
Wait.
singing in to people's ears.
Wait, where does this go? The text has done nothing. I'm just being silly.
How do the feet go? Back and up. Okay, flip the
The
page.
same as all of them.
Flip the page.
All the feet go like that.
And the tail bends.
And then you
And then I what?
put it for the arm. Those.
Oh, put
Attach.
this in the arm?
No, it doesn't go that way. Should go that way.
Yeah, shove his arm in. This is right arm?
That's right.
Okay.
You don't need to see this because you know how the feet have to go.
Yeah.
All the feet go the same, so you don't need to do it with the green one.
Yeah.
And the green one does the same thing as the red one.
The green one does the same thing as the red one.
Yep.
This goes down like this.
How do we attach this?
This goes all the way back like this.
Maybe it goes inside his mouth? No. This goes inside his
How
mouth.
does his hands go? Wait, I need to see his hands. Oh, they sit back. Back. Back legs do the same. Okay. Now we connect his arm over here.
Look what it made. A tiny little robot.
Alright. Turn the page. Now we gotta fix his head.
Well,
So we whip it up and we bring his head down and then bring the
da,
lion
na,
down
na,
on
na,
top.
na, na,
Like that. Right?
This attaches to my hand.
Yeah.
His nose.
Oh, and then the ears
His nose isn't. Oh wait.
go out like that. His nose is a little curved.
Wait, did you put a sticker for his face?
No, it was already on there. Okay, now we gotta put his hand together. We put this in his hand.
You take those apart.
Okay.
That goes in there and that goes under there, but you don't need that. So that's gonna count as an extra.
Yeah, why did they do that?
No, they just did it because they needed it to go all the way together. I have a shield fist. Yeah.
So his right hand gets this, huh? Like that. Now put the shield in his other hand. Fish?
How do I do that? And will he stand up? Maybe when he's against it. Wait, how do I do it? I don't know how to do
This?
it. Oh, it comes out. No, like this, Dad. Because on the structures it doesn't go.
Yeah, put it in his hand. This needs to be out.
No, put it in his mouth.
We'll put it in.
Get it? Put it in his mouth.
There we go.
We're done. That's it.
It's Voltron!
We did it.
He's awesome! He's super tall. You can
Wait.
see he's kind of weird standing.
Yeah,
The
but you
legs
can
are a little
you
bent.
can move his hand like he's
You can
shopping.
totally bend him. He's cool.
Yeah,
You can bend his arms. The arms go all the way up and stay.
I will cut
And his head turns.
and you die.
These are supposed to stay up a little higher.
Maybe it's so he can fly.
Yes.
No,
That's
they
it.
don't go all the way up.
All right, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Happy Legoing.
Legoing. I don't get it.